Okay, today I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of the vinyl cleaner and conditioner kit. What we have is some vinyl cleaner, obviously some vinyl conditioner, just a small brush and some cloths. What I also have is toothbrush to get into the sort of hard to reach areas, and just an old towel because we're going to have to get this quite wet. And I should imagine a lot of dirt's going to come off, but we'll see. I don't actually know how old this is, so we'll have to see how it turns out, but hopefully it should be good. Okay, so hopefully you can see how dirty this is. Just to zoom in a little bit. You can see it's all in the grain and all in the lower reach areas. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, what we need to do obviously is take our vinyl cleaner and then just simply apply it straight to the surface. So obviously turn it to spray and then we're just going to get the whole area wet. So what we use the brush for is just to get into all the lower areas, such as the grain and all these lines, the corners, around the edges. If you just wipe over the cloth, then you're only going to sort of clean the surface and leave it in the grain, so you're only really doing half a job. Get my toothbrush, just get into these areas here. Yuck. Okay, then obviously you want to get your towel. Obviously an old towel is ideal for this, because I think we're going to wreck it. Wreck it. Just clean off the brush. Get that dirt on there, to the sides. Hurt to do the metal sections as well. It's coming up nicely. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Just clean the brush out quickly. And go over it one more time. Obviously there's few bits of dirt still left on there. Try and find a clean area of the towel, and then just the rest. See, yeah, we'll get there now. It's just a little bit of dirt coming off. Again, use a clean area of the towel if you can, so you're not wiping the dirt back on there. And now it's looking white again. Okay, I'll just finish up cleaning up the rest, and then I can show you the conditioning. Okay, hopefully you can now see that it's all clean, all the dirt is gone. It's all out of the grain, it's looking white again. Okay, now all we're going to do is just condition it. Now the condition is important, mainly just to stop the dirt sticking to the vinyl now that we've cleaned it. What you tend to find with boat seats is generally the salt air and the hot sun tend to bake it, and if the dirt's on there for too long, it can really stick to the vinyl. Now what this gel does is generally it just stops the dirt sticking to it. It also helps just to protect it from the sun as well, and the salt, so it's ideal for boats. Now all you do is just put so much on the cloth and then just go over the whole section. Now this has actually got some lower lines and stuff, so I'm just gonna do the flat surfaces quickly, and then once the cloth is damp, then I'm just going to go over the whole thing. That way you don't get lots of sort of large lumps of conditioner sort of embedded in the lower sections. It's very easy to apply, it only takes a few seconds. But over a long period of time it can really increase the life of vinyl, and again just make it very easy to clean each time you do it. Because of the hot sun, if your boat's outside a lot, then it's really best to do this sort of once every 3 months, or depending on how you use the boat and how much you're out in the sun. But you only really need to clean it maybe once a year, but condition it maybe once every 3 months. Okay, and that's it.